duck. Duck. No, I'm a duckling.
Oh. Are you sure? Was your mother a duck?
Yes?
Well, she must have been as sick as a parrot when she saw you.
That's terribly good, Loba.
Thank you, dear. I don't think I've ever seen such an ugly duckling.
No. So, what are you doing in our house?
I was sheltering from the cold. I saw the door was left open and didn't think it would hurt to step inside.
Not hurt? Not hurt! You left marks on the rug! That will drive the old woman to get the carpet fresh, and we can't stand the smell of that stuff. Can we, dear?
Steady, Queenie. He's obviously going through the mold. Hormones running amok, irrational behavior, mood swings.
What of it?
I don't think I like your tone, young poultry, my lad, and mind that you'll be marking the anti-stain cloth next.
What's an anti-stain cloth?
Well, I don't know, but obviously it works. There hasn't been a stain for as long as I've been here.
Oh, Queenie, you are such a funny cat.
Cat? Are you a cat?
Well, of course I'm a cat.
So, are you going to eat me?
Ew, don't be disgusting. I've never been in the bird butchering business myself. Can't be doing with all those feathers. You see, it's like eating a meal and flossing your teeth at the same time. No, the old woman poaches me fresh fish.
But the old woman, she's a person. Doesn't she hurt you? And you're a chicken. Why does she keep you shut inside? Don't you prefer it out in the yard?
You must be crazy. All that scratching and scraping. I work on the couch, you see. Queenie and I are domesticated. It takes all sorts to make a world. On that part we are clear. It takes all sorts to make a world, but we don't want on here. Our taste is good and liberal. Our views are well expressed. It takes all sorts to make a world. It's just that our sort's best.
So you should be grateful that we are even in a conversation with riffraff like yourself. and then we sit, and then we chat. And you know, sometimes I get up, and I arch my back, and sparks, they will fly from my fur.
Then we sit and chat, and sometimes I will lay an egg.
And is that it?
Well, yeah. What else is there for civilized folk to do? What do you do?
Well, my absolute favorite thing is swimming. It's so wonderful letting the water close over your head right as you plunge down at the bottom.
Lobot knows all about plunging down at the bottom, don't you, dear?
Come on, I'll show you.
Swimming in autumn? I've never heard of such a crazy notion.
Well, you could use the exercise. Think of your thigh meat, dear. She's got drumsticks, like an ostrich.
Well, you haven't exactly been a slave to your step aerobics. It is as much as you can do to get the cat door open.
Oh, look at the time. Chop, chop. Lobot, she loves watching her antique roadshow.
Where's the remote?
You're sitting on it, dear. Come see it.
6 months on, and still no sign of the duckling, who, as you will remember from the photograph released at the time, has a very unforgettable appearance. But now our experts believe he has gone through certain changes, and they have put together a composite of what he might look like today. Warning, some viewers may find this image disturbing.
I'm sure he's out there somewhere. So if anyone's seen him, please call in.
Again,
Mama?
viewers, we are appealing to you. If you have any information, the number is coming on your screen now.
Mama?
Is there something you'd like to tell us, dear?
Did you run away from home?
No,
Well, that settles it. I'll call from the kitchen.
Oh no, the old woman.
She wouldn't ring her own doorbell. Come in.
Quack, quack.
Oh no. What are you doing here?
Thought I'd cook my goose, eh? Is that a new way to treat your long-lost feathered father?
Your father? Ugliness certainly runs in the family.
He's not my father. Don't listen to him.
He has overcome. Son, hug your daddy. Your mother and I have been worried sick.
Do not let him near me. Does he look like a duck?
Now, dear. Folk who live in glass houses shouldn't call the kettle black. Or something like that.
He's a cat.
Children will have their fun. I'm sorry if he has caused you any inconvenience, and I'm most grateful that you've kept him all in one piece. Come along, Ducky. Think the nice poultry for looking after you.
He's a cat, I tell you. A sly, treacherous, double-crossing,
Hungry.
no good, conniving tomcat.
No good. The line was busy. Well, hello.
Mercy!
Another duck. Don't you have a pond to go to or something? Meow.
Shouldn't you be getting back? You said his mother was sick with worry.
Meow, meow.
I told you he was a tomcat.
A tomcat?
Don't get any funny ideas, Queenie. We have an arrangement. Don't forget. Oh no, there's gonna be tears before bedtime.
Madam, I be honored, though I'm not of your ilk. If we could get together, maybe share a dish of milk.
It's only fair to say that she is rather prone to carry parasites. Her fur is not her own, and on the hygiene front, to be both bright and blunt, it's better you don't know. Although I don't wish to gripe, I don't think she'd be your type.
Together, we will sing our own cat chorus. Together, we can choose our favorite keys. Together, we will all be full for us.
Together, I can't rid her of her fleas. You have to help me out, it's looking pretty grim. What will become of me if she should go with him?